Hey guys, this is Ayush from Tech for Tech and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install custom ROM on Moto X Play without deleting stock ROM. And you can use this method to test OREO ROMs which are still in development stage, or any other OS like Selfish OS, Ubuntu Touch, etc. Or you can use this method to install other ROMs as secondary ROM. So that being said, let's get started. First of all, install stock ROM on your device if you are running a custom ROM, or if you are already running a stock ROM then you don't need to do this. You can skip this to step 2. First of all, download these files from the description and install Motorola drivers and ADB setup on your PC. Once that is done, go to C drive and you will get ADB folder in the root of the C drive. Now extract the content of stock ROM into this ADB folder. Once that is done, you have to open a command window inside that ADB folder. To open a command window inside that ADB folder, you need to hold shift button and click right, and then click on open command window or PowerShell option. Now boot your device into the bootloader mode and connect it to PC via data cable. To boot your device into the bootloader mode, you need to press and hold volume down button and power button for about 5 to 8 seconds. Once you are in the bootloader mode, connect your device via data cable to PC. Now head back to the fastboot window and type this command fastboot devices to check whether the device is connected or not. Once your device is connected properly, you need to open this instruction file. Basically it is a text document with instructions, and you need to type these instructions one by one into the fastboot window. These instructions will flash the content of stock ROM into your phone. So now let's get started with the second step. Step 2, unlock bootloader of your Moto X Play. If you have not done it yet, you can click this little icon over here to get the video through which you will be able to unlock bootloader of your Moto X Play. And if you have already unlocked bootloader of your Moto X Play, then you can skip this too. Now just download this file from the description. I will paste the link of this file in the description so you can get this from the description. Now extract this file and you will get 3 files inside it. First one is the recovery image that we are going to flash on our device, and other 2 are MultiROM files. Transfer the MultiROM installer and uninstaller file onto your Motorola X Play and rename the recovery file to recovery. Now just paste this file inside the ADB folder. Once that is done, open a command window inside that ADB folder. To open a command window inside that ADB folder, press and hold shift and click right and select open command window or PowerShell option. Now power off your device and boot it into the bootloader mode and connect it to the PC via data cable. Now head back to the fastboot window and type this command fastboot devices to check whether your device is connected properly or not. Once your device gets connected, type this command fastboot flash recovery.image to flash custom recovery on your device. Once that is done, boot into the recovery mode using the bootloader. Step 3. Installing MultiROM boot manager on your device. Now when you tap on this icon, you will see this message MultiROM not found. So this means we have not installed MultiROM yet. So yeah, now we are going to install MultiROM unofficial zip file. Now to install MultiROM boot manager, tap on install and search for the zip file and install it. Once that is done, wipe Delphi cache and hit reboot system option. So now guys, MultiROM boot manager has been installed. So whenever you boot your device up, you will see something like this on your device. In here you can choose any ROM that you have installed on your device and you can boot into it easily. Since I haven't installed any other ROM, so I don't have any other boot option. You also have some MISC options in the MISC settings like reboot to recovery, reboot to bootloader, etc. Now here internal ROM is our stock ROM and we can add custom ROMs as secondary ROM. Add other ROMs to this device. Once you are in the recovery, tap on this icon over here and tap on add ROM option. Now select ROM type and storage path. Now just simply install the ROM as you would have done while installing it as primary ROM. Once the installation is complete, tap reboot option and your phone will be rebooted and you will be presented with MultiROM boot manager screen. As you can see, I have got this Viper Lux option. This is my secondary ROM. To boot into it, just double tap it. So yeah, that's all for today guys. Using this method you can install any ROM that you want, OREO ROMs, other OSs. So that's all for today guys. I will catch you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also drop a like on this video.